Hi guys, I am super excited today. I have Wig Mail RAQUEL Welch Signature Collection Editor's Pick, and I've been waiting a few years to be able to purchase this. So let's have a look. So here's Editor's Pick RAQUEL Welch straight out of the box. Still has the tags on. I have done absolutely nothing to her. So even though she's straight out of the box, I'm already really loving what I'm seeing. There's a really nice side bang going across here. I do love the colour. I love those really blonde highlights. So one thing I'd like to say about this wig is it's very light. The cap is really comfortable. I really can't feel a lot of weight on my head at all. And because I'm keeping her, I will play around with her a bit, maybe tousle her up a little bit, and let's do a 360. Editor's Pick, I can see why everyone loves this wig. So all I've done is gone and given Editor's Pick a really great shake just to loosen the fibres up off the cap, because she has been sitting in a box a really long time. And I just want to give you a close-up on that lace front. And RAQUEL Welch has done a really great job of popping the lighter fibres around the top of the hairline. And I think that really assists in creating the illusion that this hair is growing out of our own scalp, which is fantastic. That's what we all want. So because she's straight out of the box, I still have the left-sided factory part, and because this is an unboxing, I'm going to remove that part for you and we'll see how we go. I don't want to comb these fibres too much because I don't really want to wreck the curl pattern, but I do want to get rid of that factory part. Editor's Pick in the colour Shaded Biscuit. Just out of the box. First impressions, very light fibres, lovely colour, beautiful lace front, and I'm really happy. So here's the cap construction on Editor's Pick. She has an open wefted cap at the back, a beautiful, very soft velvet nape, temple to temple, beautiful lace front, and a monofilament top, and an area of permatease just at the crown, which is where I really like it. She has velvet ear tabs with some quite robust metal stays in there to keep her in place for us. Fantastic. Thanks, RAQUEL Welch. Watch my upcoming video on Editor's Pick where I do a full review on her. And please watch one of my other videos as well. YouTube will suggest something really great for you.